Hello friends, in this video I will show you how I preserve these beautiful flowers for adding them in the resin. These are clematis. This is sundown or orange cone flower, a tiny sunflower, and some veronica flowers. These are all the flowers that I plucked from my garden. I will be using these flower drying silica beads that I purchased from Amazon. The good thing about this, it can be used multiple times by heating them in the oven. I will show you at the end of this video how I reuse these silica crystals. Before I proceed, make sure to smash that like button below and subscribe to the channel to see how I preserve these flowers in the resin after drying them. For drying the flowers, I prefer a small compact container as we need to cover the flowers with these beads completely. At first, I disperse some beads in the container and cover up the base evenly. The science behind this is these beads absorb moisture from the flowers and dry them. And in this process, we may lose the original color of the flowers. Gently place the flowers one by one facing upside in the container. Make sure there is at least some space between the flowers. There is not much space left for the veronica flowers. Anyways, let's see how they turn out. I hope they can survive for the next few days. Now, slowly pour the contents of the packet over the flowers and cover the flowers entirely with silica. Make sure the silica goes in between each petal. Cover the container with a lid and leave it for 3 days in a warm place. I usually store in my closet. After 3 days, I am opening the container and gently removing the flowers. These are clematis. They are completely dry and turn a little darker. Oh, I lost one petal here. It got separated. I think I should be gentler in digging the flowers. I found the petal. Hopefully they all come in one piece. This is sundown flower. It dried a little more than anticipated. I should have kept it only for 2 days, and it changed the color from orange to dark brown. With a brush, I am dusting off all the silica beads, making sure there remain no beads attached to the flowers. This is the second sundown flower. I doesn't like this one. Here is a sunflower. It looks amazing. Its color is maintained. I love this one. Veronica flowers look fine, although I have lost many of their feathery petals, but they seems to be good for adding in resin. You can see here some of these crystals beads are yellow. I have used them to dry many flowers. As they absorb moisture from the flowers, these yellow beads change their color and turn green. You can see here, that's how we know they are working. Later, I have microwaved them at low heat for 2 minutes to eliminate moisture from the silica beads, and these green beads turn to yellow and they are good to go for another round of drying. They are very economical. This is another box where I have preserved a red rose and some lilac flowers. The rose texture is very crispy and it has become darker. Now I will store them in a paper box and coat them with a varnish spray before adding them in epoxy resin. I hope you guys like this video. Watch out for the upcoming videos to see how I preserve these lovely flowers in resin. Take care and bye.